To fix the Pinterest error, this app isn't compatible with your store on Shopify, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, ensure that your Shopify store is set up correctly and that you have the necessary permissions to install apps. Next, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Pinterest. Click on the Pinterest app and then click the Add App button. If you see the error message, this app isn't compatible with your store on Shopify, it may be due to your store not being public or your store using a plus sign in its name. To resolve this issue, go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings, then click on Store Settings. In the store name field, make sure there are no plus signs or special characters in your store name. If there are, remove them and save the changes. Then click on the Sales Channels tab and make sure that the online store sales channel is enabled. If it is not enabled, click the Enable button to enable it. After making these changes, go back to the Shopify App Store and try installing the Pinterest app again. If you still encounter issues, it may be due to your store being in a test mode or using a custom domain that is not verified. To resolve this, go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings, then click on Domains. Make sure that your custom domain is verified and that your store is not in test mode. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Pinterest error and install the app on your Shopify store. Remember to always check your store settings and ensure that your store is set up correctly before installing any apps. It is also a good idea to check the Pinterest app documentation and the Shopify App Store for any specific requirements or compatibility issues. By taking the time to troubleshoot and resolve any issues, you can ensure a smooth and successful installation of the Pinterest app on your Shopify store. In conclusion, fixing the Pinterest error, this app isn't compatible with your store on Shopify. Requires checking your store settings and ensuring that your store is set up correctly. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can resolve the issue and install the Pinterest app on your Shopify store.